Hello and welcome to the Education Drive channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you will access Office 365 for free. Office 365 apps include various applications such as Microsoft Office, Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, many more applications that comes through the Microsoft. So in this video, I will demonstrate you how you can access Office 365 in the cloud version as well as in the desktop version. So first of all, you want to go to this website, office.com. And when you go to office.com, it will prompt you to sign in with the Microsoft account. If you have a Microsoft account, that is great. But if you do not have Microsoft account, then you would want to create an account. It is a very easy process for you to create a Microsoft account. You would click here, create an account. Once you go there, you have the option to include your email address. If you have, your Gmail account, your email account from other service providers such as Yahoo, Hotmail, then you would enter here. First of all, you would need to create an account. So once you create an account, you would basically sign in by going here, sign in. Right now, I'm going to enter my username and password. I have, since I have the Office 365 login already, I'm going to use my credential. So I'm going to use my password, stay signed in. I want this browser to stay signed in once I log into this portal. Hit yes. So this is how you basically get access to the Office 365. If you go to the all the way top, the waffle icon, if you click here, you will see bunch of applications from Microsoft. For instance, Outlook, OneDrive, OneNote, PowerPoint, Excel, and so on and so forth. All these are free once you have the Office 365 account because all these applications come under the Microsoft account. So for these demonstrations, I would want to open a Word document. So once I open a Word document, this is the cloud version of Microsoft Word. I can create a new document. I can choose the template from already available or already built template. So that way I can use the existing template without having to, install software on my computer. This is really helpful, especially if you are traveling, if you use computer elsewhere where you don't have the access to install those software, but you would still want to access Office 365, then that's really helpful. So in this example, I'm going to create a new document, blank document. Once I click here, it's going to open a new blank Word document and I can type this is a tutorial demonstration of Education Drive Office 365 account. So this is a document. So the good thing about the cloud version of Microsoft Word is that it is automatically saved in your cloud version. So here you can see it says document. I can basically rename it to say um, paste document of Education Drive channel. So by default, your document is saved under OneDrive and Documents. So you don't even have to manually save the documents in order to save your file. So it is automatically saved in your cloud version of Microsoft Office. There are a couple of other features that you can utilize for free. You can collaborate with your team members. You can collaborate with the colleagues. To do that, you would simply go here that says share. So, and then you can click here. Once you click here, you can add your colleagues, your friends, and anybody that you would want to collaborate working on this document. Once you are finished adding um, your friends, colleagues, or someone who you want to share this document, you would just click send, and then they will receive an email saying that you have shared the document for collaboration. So that way you can collaborate working on the document with multiple people at the same time. So this is the Word version of the um, Microsoft Office. You can use the same um, you can use the same process to obtain access to Excel. If you go to Excel, it will open the dashboard that will list the feature available to access Excel. And if you click create work blank workbook, then it's going to create a new workbook for you to create a workbook, create a sheet, all different features that are available in the cloud features. At the top, it's currently saying book one. This is the name of the file, but you can change however you want this file to be renamed. Um, and all the way bottom, you see the sheet one. This is the sheet currently present in this template document, but you can add however many sheets that you want to add in your Microsoft Office Excel cloud version. And you can do the same way, you can follow the same process to share this document to your colleagues, um, anybody that you would want to collaborate this document. This is the Word Excel version of the Office 365. Next, I will show you important um, other important aspect of what you can do within this Microsoft Word. You can also edit in the desktop applications. There are features that are only available in the desktop version of Microsoft Word. So in that case, you would want to switch this document to the desktop version so that you have extra features available for you to experiment. So to do that, you would want to click editing and then open in desktop. So it is asking me open Word. I'm gonna click on that. So it should open a Word version of my desktop applications. Now, if you have not logged in, it's gonna prompt you to sign in before any edits are made. So if you have not signed in into the Word applications, then you will want to sign in by clicking here. And if you have not installed Office 365 applications for any reason, you can also install from here. When you log in the Office 365 for the first time, you have the option to click install apps. So if you click here, it's gonna ask you to go premium. That's something that you would have to pay in case you wanna get the extra service, but Windows also come with the native Word version. If you are not familiar yet, if you do the shortcut Windows Control Shift Alt and then W, it's going to open the Microsoft Word that is currently available in your computer. So that's the shortcut. It's going to be Control Shift Windows icon Alt and W. So that's going to open the Word. So if you want to open Excel, then you would do Control, Shift, Windows, Alt, and then X. So that will open up a new Excel dashboard. So this is the desktop version of the Excel. You can create a blank document, or you can use various templates that are available within the dashboard. And if you want to open the PowerPoint, you would basically do Control Shift Windows Alt, and then P. So that P stands for PowerPoint. Um, for Excel, it would be Control, Shift, Windows, Alt, and then X. So this is how you would access different Office applications in your Windows. I personally prefer to make edits and changes in the cloud versions just so that I don't have to worry about saving files. For some reason, if my computer breaks, I still have access to the cloud version of the Office 365 applications. All right, this is it for this video. If you guys found this video helpful, feel free to comment, and thank you for watching.